Hello readers, welcome back to Quarantine Literacy. We are continuing our study where we are spending time out in the natural world. And that may look a little different for each of you. Some of you may have the opportunity to truly go out into the middle of a forest or a meadow. Some of you may be able to spend some time on the beach, the shore. Others of you may spend some time in a park nearby or your backyard, or maybe it's your fire escape, or maybe it's just sitting in your room next to a plant, and that's okay too. Today I have a lovely story. It's short and it's beautiful and it's calming, and it's called B is for Bear, and it's an alphabet book by Hannah Viano. I actually got this book when I was at a camping store with my daughter in Lake Tahoe. And I thought it was so beautiful that I just had to get it. It has some lovely illustrations of nature, and it also is just a sweet, sort of simple, quieting book. Quiets the mind. It says it's dedicated to all of those who let children run a little wild, climbing trees and splashing in puddles. It is worth all the laundry and lost mittens. A. Acorn. Perfect for a squirrel's winter food stash. An acorn falls from the branches of an old oak tree. B. Bear. A berry-munching bear can be tracked by looking for his seed-filled scat. Scat is another word for poop, just in case you were wondering. C. Cloud. A cloud is made of water droplets suspended in air. Just love the pictures. I think they're so beautiful. D. Dandelion. The seeds of the dandelion are made to be spread far and widely by the breeze. E. Egret. Standing still on one leg, an egret watches the water closely, waiting for his dinner to swim by. F. Fawn. Fawn is the name given to young deer, spotted here in her father's shadow. G. Grass. Some fine day, get down low to the ground and look at all of the creatures hiding in a simple patch of grass. Let me tell you, it is true, you can find so many creatures hiding in grass. Ladybugs, worms, spiders, all sorts of things. Roly-polies, crickets. H. Herring. In the colder waters of the ocean, schools of herring keep safe by swimming together. That reminds me of the book Swimmy. I. Iceberg. Most icebergs only show part of their total size. Another 90% is hidden underneath the water. J. Jackrabbit. Jackrabbit uses his big ears to listen for any predators that might be on the move. K. Kids. Like you. What is another creature that belongs outdoors? Kids. L, lightning bug. Call them fireflies or lightning bugs or Lampyridae. They fill a summer night with magical lights. When we lived in New York, we had so many fireflies and they were truly magical. Young mountains, M for mountains. Young mountains rise high and jagged, but old ones have been worn down over time. N for nest. This nest belongs to paper wasps and is made from a mixture of chewed up wood and spit. O, otter. Resting securely on a bed of kelp, the hungry sea otter can enjoy a snack in peace. P, pebble. One to throw in the water, a smooth one to hold in your hand. It takes many pebbles to make a beach. Q, Queen Anne's lace. Pick a white flower from the plant called Queen Anne's lace, and you are likely to find an extra surprise in its petals. Ants. This is true. I can attest to this because we have a lot of Queen Anne's lace where I live, and there are often ants in the petals. R, rainstorm. There is a wild energy that comes with a swirling, driving, thunderous rainstorm. S, swallow. Swooping and diving through the air is just how you get from here to there if you are a swallow. T for trout. The rainbow trout can be tempted to the surface by the right fly. U, underground. Deep underground, beneath the grass and past the mud, live a bunch of wonderful creepers and crawlers. V, violet. You might find a purple violet on a birthday cake, but look for wild ones peeking out from dead leaves in the spring. W, wave. Some are created by the wind blowing across the water, while other waves are made by a change in the depth of the sea they roll through. X, lynx. Please do not play with the feathery tips on the ears of a lynx. It tickles. Y, yellow-bellied sapsucker. The yellow-bellied sapsucker is a woodpecker that has a yellowish belly and does indeed suck sap from the trees. Z, zzz. Let your mind fall off into zzz and dream of all the things that you must go investigate first thing tomorrow. This is another good night book because it does sort of lull you to sleep. I hope you have enjoyed taking a trip into the alphabet natural world today, and I will see you tomorrow, readers. Bye.